Your iced coffee gets worse with every single sip because the ice keeps melting and completely ruining the flavor. Especially here in Singapore, the heat just destroyed iced drinks in minutes, but making a proper cold extraction coffee usually means leaving a picture in the fridge overnight next to your food. But not anymore. This is the Brezi, the world's first coffee machine that makes ice cold coffee without using ice or a fridge. And it does it in just minutes. And remember, no ice equals no dilution. Right out of the gate, this doesn't look like a standard kitchen appliance. It's generally looking like it belongs on a tech desk, just like my desk here. The build quality is excellent, featuring a sleek aluminum alloy chassis and food safe, BPA-free Titan class polymers for the internal fluid pathways. The user experience is incredibly satisfying and fun. You navigate the interface using the gadget like scroll wheel, and the dedicated filter cup is completely magnetic. It just aggressively snaps into place. You can even customize it with your own personal nameplate. The engineering inside is what makes this a true tech product. This isn't just hot coffee that gets cooled down. The Brezi uses highly controlled two-stage extraction architecture. First, it performs a controlled bloom at around 70 degrees Celsius. Think of this like sauce white for your coffee. It uses precise temperature to release trapped CO2 and perfectly wet the grounds before the main extraction. Then stage 2 kicks in. It rapidly drops the water temperature down to around 5 degrees Celsius. It achieves this using a solid-state thermoelectric cooling architecture instead of a bulky loud compressor. To control the drip, it utilizes a precise dosing pump to ensure a highly stable and repeatable water flow. It's the ultimate set it and leave it experience for your decks. And because it uses the thermoelectric cooling, it is whisper quiet at around 60 decibels. It is just a soft background sound you barely notice while you are reading or working. Plus, cleaning is a zero mess. You literally just rinse out the magnetic filter cup and you are done. Okay, so I have everything here, so let's make a coffee and taste it. Of course, this comes with the filters also, so they have provided the filters, the normal filter, and I have a filter inside already with my coffee. This is what I was talking about. It just snaps like this. It's very good, and if you want to have your own name here, you can do that also. There's another filter also comes with it. You can utilize it if you want to like really slow drip coffee and all that, but for my case, I'm going with this normal setup for now for the demo purpose. Then we have these modes here. So we have regular mode, and then concentrate mode, your slow drip, and your tea, and of course you can do a custom brew also if you want to. For myself, I was just using a regular mode. Okay, and then let's put the thing here, move to the next part. So it's very simple, very straightforward to use it. So you press next here. Okay, so you can see the roast levels. You have dark, medium, or light, depends on your coffee. So I have a dark one, and I will press next here, and this is where it tells you like how much coffee you have added. You can actually adjust it accordingly. So in my case, it's 16 grams. So after that, we can have a next one, and this is where ready to brew. So it also tells you that how long it takes. It shows here 11 minutes, and this is how much ml coffee I will get. So very straightforward. When I press this, and then it's cold brew time. So you see how rapidly is heating up the thing. As you guys see that it's blooming now at this moment, and it will take around 60 seconds to bloom. So, and it also giving everything how many degrees it is, and it's already, you can see it's started to drip also. So in my situation, I will just leave it as it is, okay? And I will just doing my thing, and it will start working. And you see it's now doing a cooling part. It's rapidly cooling down very fast now. Let's see how far does this cool down to. Okay. So it cools down to the 5 degree Celsius now. If you are doing something else or you're working like me, you just need to wait for 9 minutes, depends on what settings you have choose. It will slowly drip your coffee and you'll be ready to go. Okay, so this one is all done and it says enjoy. So let me press that. Okay, it goes back to the modes. So let it drip a little bit more. So once it's finalized, and I'm super excited to taste it. It really looks great here. Oh wow, it's really very cold. Okay, nice. Okay, so let me take this out and let's pour it in my cup. Let's see. Ooh, nice. It's exactly like how I like my coffee to be. Let me taste first. Okay, cheers. Oh wow, I didn't expect that taste to be actually. It's really very nice. This tastes really very much better than I expected, seriously. Because it extracts like cold, so you get much lower precise bitterness and none of that kind of a sharpness. You get it from your usual hot pour coffee. It's like a pure full flavor with zero water dilution. So I think that makes it very different than any other regular coffees which you put like in the ice ones. If you really want to upgrade your daily cold coffee habits at your desk, right, I think the Brezi is one of the very good options. I'm loving it. It tastes really very good. So if you guys want to know more about this product, I will be dropping all the links in the description of this video, or if you want to know anything about it, you can also let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to reply, and if there are any discount codes available or promotions going on, I will be dropping that in the description of this video as well. And if you have enjoyed this video like the way I enjoyed it with my coffee, so don't forget to give a thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. I'll see you guys in the next video. Until then, take care and bye bye. Let me finish this. Amazing.